Hi, it's Lynette here. So I wanted to come on and do a review of this massive palette. It's not a new one. I've had it for a while. It's a P.Louise Read All About It, the nude edition. So it's kind of like, it's got all this bump. It's supposed to look like a newspaper. So that's the carton. I'll take the carton, take it out the carton, cardboard box, and actually show you the palette. I usually throw these all away, but I didn't with this one for some reason. I was just checking what Lo was up to. I'm filming downstairs today. I've got half an hour in between meetings, so I thought I'd grab my lunch and kind of try and pop on and do some filming. So this is palette that I've had for a while, and I just wanted to come on and just kind of show you the colours, because I haven't really played around with it or used it very much. So this is the inside. Again, looks like a newspaper. And then on this page, it comes with a little mirror here, which I think is quite cute. You get the little mirror, and then you get the shades. So, how many shades are there? "36. I had to do quick maths in my head because there was 9 a row. Anyway, so I'm going to start from the top row. So they've all got names. So there's drama, rumour, fake news, censored, headlines, culture, tacky, recognition, invalid. So that's the top row, and it's going to go from a white right through to a dark brown. Okay, and you can let me know what you think. I'm not used a lot of this brand, to be honest with you, and I know that some people will say, you know, finger swatches don't tell you the whole story, and I agree with it, but you know, it's what I'm working with at the moment. So this is that kind of top row of colours, and actually they're showing up on camera better than they're showing up on my hand, to be honest with you. So these ones would need, you know, I think you'd need to work on building these ones up if you wanted to use them, but I would probably just use them. Yeah, I can't think of the word. What is the word I want to use? I don't know. I can't think of the word when you just, a transition kind of, not a transition shade. Yeah, whatever. I'd use it as the shade I'd kind of put here before a darker shade. I can't remember the colour. I can't remember the word. It's been one of these days. So I'm going to put the second row, which is exclusive, scandal, public, cancelled, trending, media, spotlight, problematic, misleading. Oh wow, the scandal is very pale. So I'm not going to actually go over these shades because I wouldn't do that with any other palettes. Maybe a spotlight, problematic. So that's the second row. So actually that's showing up, that colour there, I can't really see it on my arm. So it's amazing that it's actually showing up better on camera. So that's the second row. Now I will have a wee play about with it and let you know kind of in the comments somewhere how it performs, because I know a lot of people are big fans of this brand. I love nude light brown colours, so you know, I've got all these mad coloured kind of palettes, but I never wear them on the day to day. So this would be one, although the only issue would be its size. You know, it's not like you could cart this about very easily. Publish. So that's the third row there. And that is the T, front page, filter, newsflash, report, hashtag, gossip, ranting, publish. There we go. So I'm going to do the last row here, and as you can see, it's a very kind of, it is quite a neutrally kind of nudie palette, isn't it? But it does have some nice, the oranges come up really nice as well. And when you go down the rows rather than along, the colours are quite this kind of similar colour stories. So I'm now doing hearsay, try and do this looking in the mirror. Broadcast, Hoax, that's Hoax. These always come up well, don't they? Disclosure, Leaked, Mistake, Fiction, Tail, ooh, Fabrications Black. There we go. So what do you think? I think there's a lot of replication in the palette actually. However, you know, I'll show you what I mean. Is when you go from top to bottom, you see the, you know, when we get into the oranges and the kind of purples and the browns, you know, they're just various shades of these colours. However, I am not going to lie, I will stick to these 12 colours here. These will be the colours that I will use. You know, orange just doesn't really work that well on my skin. I might try it, see how I get on, but I will if anybody wants me to kind of do a wee look and maybe even just post some photos up on Instagram, I'll let you know. But yeah, I mean, they've actually come out okay. The pigment's fine in it. As I say, this is the first time I've used P.Louise, but I wanted to come on and swatch it and watch as the door will go, or somebody will call me and then I'll have to explain why I've got like all these marks down my arms. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I just don't think I would use dark browns. Some of the kind of glittery, shimmery shades are pretty. So yeah, what do you think? Have you got this palette? Is it just too bland for you, too dull? I think there's a nice mixture of different colours, but it is all the same kind of colour story to me. You know, you go from the light browns, the cools, into the, well, I think they're mainly warm colours, but into the lights, into the kind of the autumny kind of oranges and purples and browns. But kind of perfect palette for this time of year, if that's what kind of colours you're looking for. It is massive, so I'm not sure it would be one that I would dig out every day. However, I would use a lot of the colours, you know, out of the palette. So yeah, let me know what you think. I just thought I wanted to dig this out and show you, and you can let me know what you think. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing swatches from a lot of older palettes as well that I haven't actually showed on the channel. I'm kind of not really keen to do makeup looks anymore because I'm not, obviously not a makeup artist, and you know, people just don't want to sit and watch unless it's a get ready with me and you're having a wee general chat. But yeah, some of these colours are lovely, but actually they show up better for you on camera than they do on my skin. So anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this palette. Is it just too boring and bland for you, or is it perfect? Is that what you like? It is too big, which is why I probably think it's one of these palettes I might just dig out now and again, because I keep my palettes in my makeup bag, the ones that I'm going to be using every day. So it's never going to be sitting in my makeup bag. However, I could sit underneath my makeup bag and then pull it out. We'll see how we get on. But anyway, if I do some makeup looks, I'll pop them on Instagram, most likely Instagram, or my Facebook page. And I'll speak to you soon. Got to go. That's my kind of half-hour lunchtime up, and I'm going to go and wipe these off before my next meeting. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.